Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to use the Gates.io's peer-to-peer marketplace, here's how to safely and easily sell your crypto. So guys, as you can see, I'm already on the website and I'm already, as you can see, logged in. This is of course a dummy account. So guys, as you can see, we have our, of course, most important two tabs, which is buy and sell. In our case, press on sell. This is something we are talking about in this video. And of course, if you have USDT, for example, or you can sell anything you want on your account. It's very straightforward to send, but also make sure to understand that there's a certain price, of course, for purchasing and selling. There's a size limit. So for example, if you want to buy a certain amount of USDT, your basically seller has to support that number. So for example, if you're looking to, for example, buy $1,000, that certain seller has to have $1,000 minimum, right? So if his minimum is more than 1,000, then you're going to have to either buy more than that or find another user that has that minimum limit. So as you can see, in our case, we have minimum limit of $500. As you can see on this seller pay crypt on the very top, and also make sure to understand which payment methods you can use. In our case, it's going to be SEPA bank transfer or Revolut. So after that, you just press on sell USDT or any other coin, of course. In my case, my account is not verified, so I'm not going to be able to sell, but just complete the KYC verification and use any of these two methods to sell crypto. And that's basically it. Just press on sell USDT. After that, you should be done. Guys, after that, you need to wait for the buyer to pay. And after confirming the payment, tap release to send the crypto. And the sale is now complete. Stay safe, always double check payments before releasing funds, and enjoy the tutorial. See you in the next one.